Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and it's the moment you've been waiting for. We are going to discuss the brand new weight of fragrance from Scentsy, and that is the new fragrance flower. So the fragrance flower uses oils instead of wax or fragrance pods. So we're just going to open her up and get started, and I'm going to show you how beautiful this is and put it together. So here is the oil, taking that out of the box. So it's a very big container of oil. You can see little particles floating around in there. And this is in the scent Luna. So you guys know Luna is one of Scentsy's best-selling fragrances ever. I will remind you what Luna smells like. Luna is described as white florals, jasmine, sweet pea and freesia, and juicy berries and sandalwood. Who doesn't love all of that? So I'm going to open the rest of this and show you guys the flower. So here is the flower that comes in it. So I'm going to take that out. So here's the flower, and this opens up more as the oils soak into the petals, and this is what you stick into the oil. So as you can see, this is basically a reed diffuser, but it's super fancy. Okay, so this is going to be easy as 1, 2, 3, so I'm just going to take this top off. Oh, it's Luna. I love it. I love Luna. I just had to get Luna as soon as I saw it. And there's a little part right here that we are going to take that off because we have to be able to stick the flower into the container. So that came off really simple. And we're going to take this little decorative piece right here. We're going to screw that on to make it look extra blingy. And then we're just going to stick the flower into the container. There you have it, the fragrance flower by Scentsy. So the oils are going to travel up this rope, and it's going to soak into the flower, and it's going to envelop all into the flower petals. The flower will bloom once it's full of fragrance, and it's gonna smell amazing. So the fragrance flower comes in 4 fragrances. There is Luna, which is the one that I have right here. There's also Amazon Rain, Aloe Water, and Cucumber, and also Sea Salt and Avocado. So you have 4 different fragrances to choose from, and they sell for $16. Okay, so I'm looking at the box, and it basically tells you how to put it together, and it says to remember that the flower will continue to throw fragrance even after the oil has been completely absorbed. So it doesn't tell you the time that it's supposed to last. I believe it's supposed to last around a month and a half. So I will get back with you by the time this video is up. I will have something scrolling at the bottom to let you know how long your fragrance is supposed to last. So of course the awesome thing about this is there is no cord, there's no wax, you don't have to worry about outlets. I mean, basically you just plop your flower into the beautiful vessel, your oil is already in there, you have nothing to decant, and you're just ready to go. And you can see already that the bamboo cord has already started to do its thing. So once the oil starts traveling up this, you can hear right now that it's kind of dry, but all these petals are going to be absorbed with oil. And from what I have seen, you'll be able to feel the oil, so you know that it's being absorbed and that it's throwing off into the room. So I plan to try this out in my bathroom, which is a bathroom in my bedroom since it's a smaller bathroom. And we're going to see how this goes. I'm not going to use any wax in my bathroom. I'm just going to use this, and we're going to see how much throw we can get off of this. And I'll report back to you guys to let you know how it's gone. Now, this is so elegant, it's beautiful, it's a super great gift idea if you don't know what to get someone. Who doesn't love a beautiful piece of artwork that they can display in their home or at work or just wherever? And it's going to give fragrance and look beautiful at the same time. I can't stop smelling this flower, and I love Luna anyway, so that's why I had to get it. But this is awesome. I'll be back with an update. I'm going to stick this in the bathroom and enjoy my beautiful flower. So if you have any questions about this or any Scentsy products, please list them below. Shoot me a DM. Hit me up on Instagram. And of course, I must remind you, you can join Scentsy this month for only $15. If you don't want to do it, if you know somebody that loves scent or fragrance, or just somebody that loves beautiful home decor, send them my way and let them know that they can be part of the fragrance family for $15 this month. So as always, thank you for watching. Please remember to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.